If you are looking for an AI video generator, you have probably come across Pictory and Invideo AI. Both tools promise to turn text into videos quickly, but which one is actually better? In this video, I'll break down the key differences so you can decide which one fits your needs. What is Pictory? Pictory is an AI video creation tool mainly focused on turning long form content into short videos. You can convert blog posts into videos, turn scripts into visuals. You can automatically generate captions. It's especially used for YouTube automation, repurposing content, faceless videos. What is Invideo AI? Invideo AI is a newer, more advanced AI video generator that focuses on full video creation from a simple prompt. You just type what you want and it creates script, scenes, voiceover, visuals. It is designed to feel more like an all-in-one AI video assistant. Key differences. Number one in the key differences, ease of use. Pictory, simple interface, but requires more manual steps. Invideo AI, fully automated, just type a prompt. Winner, Invideo AI, more beginner friendly. Number two, AI capabilities. Pictory focuses on converting existing content. Invideo AI generates everything from scratch. Winner, Invideo AI, more powerful AI. Editing control. This is number three. Pictory, more control over scenes, text, and visuals. Invideo AI, less manual control, more automation. Winner, Pictory, better for customization. Number four, templates and assets. Pictory, good stock library, decent templates. Invideo AI, massive template and media library. Winner, Invideo AI. Number 5. Voiceovers. Pictory, solid AI voices, but limited variety. Invideo AI, more natural voices and options. Winner, Invideo AI. Number 6 and final. Best use cases. Pictory, turning blogs into videos, editing existing scripts, YouTube automation channels. Invideo AI, creating videos from scratch, social media content, fast content production. Pricing overview. Both tools offer subscription plans. Pictory slightly more affordable for basic use. Invideo AI more expensive but includes stronger AI features. If you are on a budget, go with Pictory. If you want more power and automation, go with Invideo AI. Pros and cons. Pictory pros: easy to repurpose content, better manual control, good for faceless YouTube channels. Pictory cons: less advanced AI, more manual work. Invideo AI pros: fully automated video creation, powerful AI generation. Great for beginners. Invideo AI cons: less control over details, can be more expensive. Final verdict and conclusion. Choose Pictory if you already have content, blogs, scripts. And if you want more editing control, choose Invideo AI if you want videos created from scratch and if you prefer speed and automation. At the end of the day, Invideo AI is better for beginners and fast creation, while Pictory is better for control and content repurposing. If this video helped you out, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and tell me down below in the comments which option did you go for and why. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.